Hello guys, papunta na pala ako sa market. Bali magkita kami ni Binta doon tapos mamimili kami. So, let's go guys! So guys, we are here now in the market. So we will buy all the things now, Binta.
Yeah, going inside one.
We are going inside the market. Acha, let's go. So guys, kita nyo yung bigas per cup yung bili. So guys, di pa kami tapos mamili. So medyo mabigat yung mga dalahin namin. Tumatawag kami ng help. Di namin kayang dalhin. Sweet. Ha? Guys, malapit na kaming matapos mamili. So after nito, punta na kami sa bahay nila. See these people? Ay, Binta girl. They help us, ah. They rescue us. Yay! It's so beautiful. What did not reach? Oy, Jaja, oy. Hello, guys.
Hello guys! Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yes, so for today's video, what we will do, Binta?
Today, we're celebrating the Christmas.
Yes. Adobo is the most requested, so we will cook adobo. But this time, we will eat with rice, right?
Yes.
It's just simple celebration. We will show you what we will prepare. So, Acha, let's go, Binta.
Let's go! Acha!
We borrow chairs, guys. They are very kind. They let us borrow chairs. So, Merry Christmas po for all the people out there who will celebrate Christmas. Dalangin po namin na maging masaya yung Christmas nyo. So, binabati ko pala yung mga mahal ko sa buhay dyan ng Merry Christmas. Malayo man malapit din. Mahal ko kayong lahat. So guys, mag-prepare lang kami. So, we'll update you. We'll just prepare all the things. Ay, mami, sige na, magpipirito muna ako ng hotdog. Good night.
You use that one, oh?
Bye-bye. I love you. Good night. Guys, nag-umpisa na kami magluto,
Where is the charcoal? The charcoal is finished, Mara.
So guys, mag-start na kaming magluto ng adobo.
Guys, sinunod ko po lahat ng bili nyo sa comments, ha. Pero this time, medyo may sabaw lang talaga siya. Para sa mga bata.
Yeah, that one. This one na you can take.
Guys, hindi to ubi, kamote yung ginamit ko. Tsaka walang purple na food color, kaya ayan lang, pink.
Guys, bago na ngayon, Pink na yung halaya. Hindi ako nakahanap ng purple,
Medyo nakakangawit lang din talaga, guys, yung maghalo ng halaya, no?
So, hello guys!
Hello guys!
So, kamusta? So, shout out pala namin yung Orante family from Jomalig, Quezon. And at Jaman Hilado 2894 from Saudi Arabia. And at Admaring Bake Buns -WK5LB. Hello po. Shout out po sa inyo. So guys, mention ko lang pala yung isang nag-sponsor, si Kuya Rick. Salamat po Kuya Rick. Guys, we are about to eat. He will appear in YouTube. Yeah. Just simple celebration, guys. Ito yung halaya natin, oh, kulay pink. So guys, kakain pala kami sa daon ng saging. So parang boodle fight. Ngayon inugasan nila yung dahon ng saging. So most requested adobo. Go na, just could.
Come on. I don't know how to eat.
Huh?
Come on, say it for us. We don't know this.
Just take rice and then put sauce. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, di nila alam kung paano kumain sa daon ng saging.
Madam, do we take hand or spoon?
Hand!
Auntie Madam, this one is nice.
Show me.
Kayo lang nga dyan.
Bisa yung layer deh. Yung layer.
Kaya Angela. Ada film dah di hai.
Jaja lekk sa mburu ba pare bala nga lekk xaal. Waa tele bi lepp sen bu. Ay man. May ma sa
Give some na so they can taste it.
ay waay.
Give me. Yeah. Ay. Binta is crazy. Oh.
Am jangan menyampi. Yang anta pastinya
Tubab is special, tubab.
Len.
Mang watak.
Len.
Jere Jeff. Merry Christmas. Do you know what is Christmas all about? We Christians, we believe that it's Jesus' birthday and we celebrate it. Okay, Jere Jeff.
Ang sarap nilang pakainin, guys. Nakakatuwa naman at nabusog sila. So guys, nagpapahinga lang konti yung mga bata tapos maglalaro na sila. So guys, ang unang laro ay putukan ng lobo. Pero dahil nga maraming maliliit na bata, sa lapag lang nila puputukin yung lobo. So guys, bali yung susunod na laro ay relay. Bali papasa-pasa lang nila yung grapes. Mahirap din pala pagka sobrang liliit na naglalaro ng relay, no? Pero cute na mga bata talaga. Nagka-problem kasi yung audio guys yung sa mic. Kaya walang audio. Guys, ito na pala yung last na laro. Hanapin lang nila yung yung coin na nasa loob ng harina. Cute na mga bata.
Ayun guys, we are almost done with our celebration.
Jaja. Wag ante madam, thank you, Jaja. Wag thank you. Say mga Jaja.
Because you did not win. You did not win.
Hey. Wadi nga aku nak tenten di. Takala ngayu, muru takala ngayu, takala pa ngayu, ye. Yuhulan he. Kosa. Mambuk mahala boleh gawam na, buku moko. Ya kalan kune kada tiya basam bunga. Ini mati lo ka jag. Ini mati na sandalas. Muru Jalal, yeah, ada apa jalan, yeah.
I want to face the camera, Momo Dukai.
Yeah, jadi lah senang kita cerita nang kita nyuran nang kau kasih.
Kunjung herang nang nganyo basi kamera.
Yeah, ada kala nang kunna ka kunjung nang nganyo finga wana ko.
Jamila nyo basi kamera binga wana.
Jamal dengar am.
Wana sa basi kamera.
Ada kala nang yeah, ada lang kontan na. Sini ba bajal nang ini kontan di? Kontannya nang FM. This one is for Sally, yeah?
And this one is for me,
yeah? Sally.
Asiko mahal din. Bisa asiko.
This is for me.
Tahulan. Oli kala, halan. Haja du kaya tahulan ni. Oli tahulan ni. Yeah. Dalan lisan. Haja tahulan san kan miji. Girl. Who's your my girl? Sang of supper. Yay! This one is mine. You see, this one is for Binta. Binta also have.
Binta,
I'm happy.
see the kids, they don't have gift.
Galing niya ang waran para amon mo.
Dada, take one.
Dai, dai, dai. Yay! Yay!
Auntie Meram, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Awa, siya na. Wala. Siya na. They opened their gift, guys. Diba na? So, guys, that is the simple celebration of our Christmas.
Christmas is nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. We eat adobo. We eat adobo. We cannot finish it, sir. You see the food there. We cannot finish it. It's plenty, huh? We are
Yeah.
happy.
They still have
Like
them.
Auntie Mayra, we are happy. We are praying for you every day.
Thank you so much. I'm praying for you all.
May God pay you. You know that for us, we cannot pay you. Only God can pay you. I think this money is inside my bottle. We cannot pay you. Only God can pay you. We are praying for you every day, Auntie Mayra. We are happy. Even me, today I'm happy. You make all the small people happy and the aunties also and the big gang also.
Yeah. Mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe dyan, please do subscribe. And please continue to support us. And we are really grateful po sa lahat ng support. So, yun lang po yung simple celebration ng Christmas namin dito. So, always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.